If you're someone who has always wanted to create your own product, whether it's a physical or a digital product, there's one skill that you can learn that gives you a really big ROI, and that's having the ability to sketch. Sketching is one of the most fundamental skills that designers use when generating and exploring new product ideas, and there's a few different reasons for that. It's fast, simple, accessible, and really effective. Almost all of the products that I've ever designed have started off as a simple sketch, and they've gone through a whole range of different iterations through sketching before ever going into 3D design, CAD, or even 2D design tools like Illustrator. Sketching is also not limited to designing physical objects. You can use it to map out 2D ideas as well, and you can do things like draw wireframes, mind maps, website layouts, or even layouts for an app. This is something that I've done myself, and I've used for my own websites and my own app that I've been working on as well. The main reason that sketching is so useful is because of its speed of iteration, which is really useful at the start and the middle bits of the product creation process. This is where you'll be coming up with a bunch of new ideas or exploring how you can develop an idea that you like into something that works. Sketching allows you to focus on speed so that you can generate new ideas quickly, or you can switch your focus into the technical aspects of the design and use sketching to figure out those details and figure out how something might work. So if you're just starting out designing your own products, or if you want to be a designer for a brand, then sketching is definitely one of the best skills that you can focus on. And you don't need to be an artist or really be that good at sketching to be able to do it. Something that stops a lot of people progressing with their sketching is they just think that they can't draw, and they think that people who can have got some kind of natural ability. And I think that's true to an extent. You can have a natural inclination, or maybe you spent a long time as a kid drawing and you really enjoyed it, so you just seem like you're naturally better. But design sketching is an art, and I think it's really important to make the distinction between them, because the purpose of design sketching is to develop your idea, explore different ideas, and to figure out the aspects of your design so that you can take it to the next stage. So it's more of a focus on using sketching as a tool than focusing on the talent. Another brilliant thing about sketching is the accessibility of it. So all you really need is a pen and a piece of paper, or an iPad if you want to do digital sketching, but you don't need any expensive equipment or software to get started. So if you're serious about creating your own products, or becoming a designer or something like that, learning to sketch is genuinely one of the highest ROI things that you can do, as it's where every product starts in the beginning. If you want to learn how to get started with sketching, then I have a few things that might help you out. I have a physical sketching quick start guide, which breaks down some of the most important aspects of designing physical products in a few steps. If you're interested, I also have a full sketching course, which breaks down the fundamentals and the techniques of sketching products. And I also have some Procreate brush packs that I made for myself that I use personally in all of my design projects. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, or let me know if there's something that you want to see from someone who's worked in the design industry for almost a decade. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.